In this video, you'll learn how to replace a damaged anvil on your Hilti SIW 18T-A impact wrench. For safety, begin by removing the battery from the tool. Next, remove the 4 screws at the front of the tool that hold the black housing on. You'll need a T15 Torx bit. Use a soft mallet to carefully separate the housing from the gear assembly. You can now pull off the broken anvil and replace it with the new one. Reattach the housing with the 4 screws you removed at the beginning of this process. To avoid damage to the tool, tighten the screws to 31 inch-pounds or 3.5 Newton-meters using a torque control screwdriver. Finally, attach the battery and pull the trigger to check gear alignment.